Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a brilliant move in chess. Now let's go to this game. I am going to press the analysis board over here. And here is going to tell me every single one of my shots. If it was a good move, if it was a bad move, if it was a blunder, etc, etc. So you can see that I did not get any sort of brilliant moves. I got one great move, 3 best moves, 7 excellent, and he had actually 1 blunder. A way to get a brilliant move in terms of the AI, it's something that is going to win you the game in the further moves. That means that a great move is something that, let's say like a fork, where the horse takes let's say it's here and it's forking the bishop and the rook. Now of course, let's say there's no pawns here. That is a great move, but a brilliant move could be like a check, a checkmate, or something that is going to dramatically change the way the game moves on forwards after that round. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.